Do egg crate mattress toppers work? If you're considering adding an egg crate mattress topper to your bed but are unsure if it's the right choice, you're in the right place. Let's break down what these toppers are and whether they can really improve your sleep. An egg crate mattress topper gets its name from its unique design, which looks like an egg carton with peaks and valleys. This design is meant to provide a softer, more cushioned feel by giving in at pressure points like your hips and shoulders. The idea is to adjust the firmness or feel of your existing mattress without breaking the bank. One of the key benefits of egg crate toppers is their ability to distribute your weight evenly. The convoluted layers help reduce pressure on your body's sensitive areas, making them particularly good for side sleepers who need a conforming surface to support their spinal alignment. These toppers also promote better airflow, which can help you sleep cooler. The peaks and valleys create air channels that enhance airflow through the foam, making it a good option for hot sleepers or those living in warm climates. In terms of materials, egg crate toppers are often made from polyurethane foam, which is inexpensive but not very durable. Over time, this foam can break down, leading to sagging and indentations where you lie. However, some egg crate toppers are made from natural latex, which is more breathable, durable, and sustainable. The cost is another significant advantage. Egg crate toppers are generally very affordable, often costing $100 or less. They are also lightweight and easy to roll up, making them a great portable option for short-term stays or college dorms. However, there are some downsides to consider. Low-grade polyurethane foam can off-gas volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which isn't ideal for people with sensitivities or children. Additionally, the foam can lose its effectiveness over time, leading to uneven support and discomfort. For those looking for a long-term solution, memory foam toppers might be a better option. Memory foam holds its shape better and provides more consistent pressure relief over time. But if you're on a tight budget or need a temporary fix, an egg crate mattress topper can certainly provide some comfort and support. So, do egg crate mattress toppers work? Yes, they can be a great temporary solution for adding comfort and support to your mattress. They offer good pressure relief, enhanced airflow, and are very affordable. Just keep in mind their durability issues and potential for off-gassing if made from synthetic materials. If you're looking for a quick and budget-friendly way to improve your sleep, an egg crate mattress topper is definitely worth considering.